Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So, welcome in another course of CSS. In this course, we will discover about CSS and we will see the CSS. I will teach you from zero to advanced. So, you have to watch each and every episode carefully and ask your question in comment section if you have any query related with CSS. So guys, let me give you an introduction about CSS. What is CSS? Where do we use it? How do we use it? So actually CSS is used to design or style an HTML document. Fine, you have got an idea. This is the definition of CSS in only one line. It is used to design or style an HTML document. So let me start from scratch. What you have to do, just create a folder. Okay, now I name this folder. I name it CSS. It's up to you, whatever you name it. So this is my CSS folder. I have created it. Now you have to open your code editor. The code editor I have is Visual Studio, so I open my code editor. Hey guys, so you can see my code editor has opened successfully. So what you have to do, this is my CSS folder. It is selected by default, and you can select it from your file here, file, and from here you can go open folder. This is your open folder. From here you can select your folder. This is my CSS folder. I select CSS folder and I click on new file. In new file you have to name your file. I name it index.html. Why I'm writing here .html? Because I told you earlier that CSS is used to design or style an HTML document. So that's why for now I'm taking an HTML file, because I'm assuming that you know HTML. If you don't know HTML, I have already created a course on HTML basic course. You have to go in my channel, or I will give you the link in description box of the playlist of HTML beginner course. So here what you have to write, just write doc. It will suggest you something, and select the first line, click it on it. It will write some code for you automatically, but I don't need these three lines, so I remove these three lines. Now in title I will write CSS. It's not necessary. Whatever you want to write, whatever your page is about, write that name, but I'm writing here CSS. Now save it. Now inside your body section I will take an heading, h1 tag, h1 heading. Now I will write some content here, hello world. Now just save your page. You can save your page from file and save, or you can also use your shortcut keys that are control plus S. Okay, this is saved. Now open this particular file in your browser. First of all you have to open your folder. This is my folder. Select your file. After selecting your file, go here and open it with Chrome. I'm using Chrome. Whatever browser you have, you can open it from there. It's not necessary. Guys, finally our document has opened successfully in browser. Here you can see our title CSS and our content hello world. Now how to use CSS? Let me start it. Now go in your Visual Studio Core Editor, whatever you have Core Editor. Now here I have to tell you first that there are three types of CSS. The first type is inline CSS, the second type is internal CSS, and the third and last type of CSS is external CSS. Now here I will start from your inline CSS. To use inline CSS, what you have to do, you have to select each element. Now this is my h1 element. Now inside this tag you have to use an attribute. The attribute is style, right? Type style. And now in this style attribute you have to write your CSS code, that what you want to do with hello world. This is written hello world text here what you want to do with hello world. So I will write here my CSS code. Fine. Now here I want to change the color of my text, so I will use color and colon and red. Okay, I change the color of the text. Now save your page, open your browser and refresh the page. So finally here you can see that our color has changed by using CSS. So this is how CSS works. Now this is the first type of CSS, our inline CSS. Now let me tell you something about the syntax of HTML. Actually, there are three main things in your syntax, HTML syntax. But the first thing I will not tell you right now because we are using inline CSS. In inline CSS, we use two things that are your property and value. We have one more thing that is selector, but selector we use in internal and external CSS, not here. So let me tell you about syntax. Now here you can see I have written color. Fine, what is color? Color is actually a property, and red is your value, the value you give to your property. Fine, and we separate our property and value by giving a colon between them. Got my point? I used a colon to separate my property and value. Now at the last I used a semicolon. It is necessary to use a semicolon, otherwise your code will not work. Now here you can see color is property, and a property has many values. It can carry so many values. For example, this is your color, and color has many values like red, blue, black, yellow, pink. There are so many colors, but property is one. I hope you have got an idea about CSS, about inline CSS, how to use inline CSS. In next video we will see about internal and external CSS, how to use them. And one more thing, that is selector. The selector we will see in our next episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode and got an idea about CSS. So guys, take care. I will see you in next episode.